Did y'all know that when you pick up your Apple Vision Pro, it does not come assembled? Like, I went to go pick mine up today, and the guy asked me, did I want to try it on? And I declined, because, you know, I want to unbox it with y'all. I found out while we're waiting for them to bring it out that somebody's in the back putting this together. Like, what? I'm like, no, I wanted to unbox it on camera. I said, so is it gonna come open? He's like, no, it's gonna come sealed. And it actually came out sealed. So I just thought that was interesting that somebody's in the back piecing this together and sealing this up. It's like Santa. This is my first hands-on experience. Let's jump into the packaging here. So I have Vision Pro along the sides, nothing along the bottom and the top. And this package has some weight to it, y'all. It's a little hefty. Other side. Ooh. I see you, Apple. Okay, it's not too bad. I don't know, I've been hearing that it's heavy, so I was expecting to feel like an immediate weight, but it's not giving that right now. It's like AirPod Maxes when you first pick those up. You feel the weight. This feels nice, it's soft. This is soft, but this is giving like the little workout headbands. Do I throw this on real quick, y'all, or do we see what's in the package? I don't know, we're gonna look in real quick. So outside of that, we also have a polishing cloth here. Okay, boom. What else do we have in here? Paperwork. Let's see, this is a light seal cushion here. This is soft, this feels good. Like if you're gonna wear it for quite some time, you know, this feels like it'd be nice against the face to do so. And then in this top section here, some more paperwork. Oh, actually a nice little cute booklet. I like this, I like this. Okay, we ain't never got a booklet before. We just get a, you know, a pamphlet, but not like, this is cute. All right, and let's see, what else do we have? Oh wow, okay. It's a lot in this packaging, because it's been a while, y'all, since we got like a new product from Apple. That was like a whole new product, you know, a whole new product line rather. Was the HomePod, correct me if I'm wrong, but I wanna say that was like the last biggest one. I remember when the Apple Vision Pro was a rumor, and like one of those far-fetched rumors, like, ain't no way Apple coming out with no VR headset, and now look at us. Oh man, but so okay, this is this little loop. I can't think of the correct term, but this is another option that I can use to wear the Vision Pro here. And let's see, we got some instructions here on how to wear the dual loop band, that's what it's called. You can focus on it a little bit better. And then we got some info on how to wear it down here. Yo, this battery, oh my gosh, this is what's heavy. I feel the weight of this immediately, much more than I did with the headset. But anyway, this is the battery. You got the little cable here. Another cable here, this is USB-C to USB-C, I wanna say. And then a power brick here. All right, y'all, enough of the packaging. Let's get into this. So we got our buttons here on the, is this tightens and loosens it? Yeah. Oh, so we take this off here to see, ooh, this is nice. It looks like a little ski mask, you know? All right, let's see. Oh, y'all, I was so nervous about the fit, especially with locks, but we're in business, we're in business. This isn't bad. I mean, yeah, I feel the weight. I can definitely tell it's front heavy, but I don't know, it just reminds me of AirPod Maxes. One thing that I do wish already is that the USB-C cable that came with this was a little bit longer. But ultimately, you plug the USB-C cable into the power adapter, and then this into the headset, and we are good to go. So in taking a quick tour of the headset, we have cameras down here at the bottom. Then we have some buttons up here along the top. This is what the inside of it looks like right here. Very tailored to your face. So you wanna make sure the LED lines with the open dot here, and then twist. There we go. Okay. Wait. Wait a minute. The sound changes as I move my head.
You can keep your hands where they're comfortable.
Press the digital crown to set up your eyes and hands. All right, so I'm looking at my hands. Look at the dot and tap your fingers together to select it. What? Select more dots to refine my eye setup. It is, yo, the fact that you're touching with your fingertips makes it feel like you're touching a touchpad. That's crazy. So now I'm going to capture my persona.
Brighten the lighting on your face to continue. Next, let's capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Capture complete. Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
That's a little work. Yeah. My persona. It's a little sus. I'm not a fan. No. It's a strong no, but does my persona look like me? Y'all let me know. I'm not feeling so. Wow. Oh, can I drag it? It's not responding.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I had to step off camera for a hot little minute and get this thing set up because I was having the most trouble getting it to like respond to my finger touches or whatever. So you have to use your index finger and your thumb to select things versus my middle finger and my thumb. But anyway, so we're gonna go back up into this experience again. It's so interesting how it just keeps up with me and what I'm looking at. Wow, that's way too close to me. Oh, that's so cool. I can push it away from me, or I can grab it and pull it to me. Insane. Okay, let's close this out. Recenter, and let's swipe. This is just like so responsive. Let's try the dinosaurs. Oh. So butterfly, I've heard about this. That's crazy. Oh wow, that's neat how to just kind of spread out. Spread out like that. That was intense. I can hear it all around. It's so immersive. Wow. And I'm back in my living room. After all of that, that was insane. Non-tech items, movies, I can push it away. Resize it. The way I just casually have a screen here and a screen here just tossed off in the corners. It's just blowing my mind right now. All right, y'all, I'm gonna test this out some more, but I'll be back. Already, right now, I'm impressed. Y'all, that's an experience. Yeah, after wearing those for a while, you do start to feel the fatigue on your face, I will say. Because God, I can feel the weight lifting now. At first when I put it on, I was like, all right. But then as I continued to use it and realize, you know, you can not only see the apps and videos and stuff in your living space, but you can also move them. You can move them to different areas in the room. You can resize them. You can change how close they are to you. It's just a lot in what you can do. So Wyland Fat wants to know, is it really that heavy? I would say yes. At first, when I put them on, I'm like, okay, they're not that bad. But after wearing them for what feels like maybe 30 minutes or so, of that, I can definitely feel the weight of them. Can you wear them with eyeglasses? Now, this is a really good question. You can wear them with eyeglasses, but you will need these inserts, which you have to purchase separately. But if you wear contact lenses, you can use this without the inserts. So I myself, I wear contacts, and thus far I haven't had any issues, but I'm excited to continue to test it out. But I am exhausted, so I'm gonna get some rest, y'all. But I do hope you enjoyed this one, and until the next one, y'all, as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.